Good morning! Alright, just woke up and it is now time to make some breakfast. Welcome back to this episode of Extreme Kitchens. Today, I'm making myself breakfast in my bedroom on my desk. Extreme Kitchens takes ordinary locations and turns them into extraordinary kitchens. Whether in my car, in the middle of a supermarket, or in the halls of my school, every location is turned into a kitchen like never seen before. Because if I can make it here, here, or here, then you can make it at home no matter how unconventional your kitchen is. All right, let's just jump right into it. We are making these super simple pancakes. They're not a ton of ingredients. It's not a ton of work. It's so easy. I can literally make it on my desk, as you can see. All right, all we're gonna do is start right over here. I have some all-purpose flour, and as always, the actual amounts are in the description box. I'm gonna add in some salt into there. I'm gonna add in some baking powder. As you see, it's actually a lot of baking powder, and that is because we really want them to be nice and fluffy. And we're gonna add in just a touch of sugar to add some sweetness. And let's take our whisk right over here and just mix those together. Okay, that is perfect. And now I'm just gonna take this and add this into our big bowl right over here. To our little bowl right over here, I'm going to add in our milk, and to that, we're just gonna mix together all of the different wet ingredients. I'm also gonna add in our melted butter, and you wanna kind of start mixing right away because the butter will actually like solidify because the milk is cold and the butter is hot, which we do not want that to happen, so keep on mixing it. And right over here, I'm gonna add in our 2 eggs, and just keep on mixing. But I'm being very careful not to spill because my floor is carpeted and we are on my desk. We're just going to pour this right into our dry mixture and start whisking. Oh my God, this whisking is literally a workout, especially like sitting down and whisking like this. It's like my arms are getting tired. I need to go to the gym more, or ever. Into our pancakes, I'm going to take some chocolate chips. You can use dark chocolate, you can use milk chocolate, whatever you'd like. Pour that all into there. And now we're gonna use this ice cream scoop right over here just to kind of mix them in a little bit. And it's actually the perfect vehicle for scooping them onto our griddle. So now all I gotta do, I have a chair with a wheel, just scoot on back, and it's now time to cook our pancakes. Okay, so I'm now going to take a little bit of oil. Usually we'll use a spray. I just literally could not find a spray. And over here I have an electric griddle. I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil onto here. All right, quickly just got from my real kitchen next door a paper towel, so we can now nice and evenly spread this out. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start making my pancakes. You can make them as big or as little as you like. I like to use 1 ice cream scoop, and you'll see why it's perfect. You just take it like this and put it there, plop that out, use your bottom of it to kind of shape it. That looks perfect, and I think I can fit about 3 pancakes on here at a time. All right, these now look ready. This one, as you can see, the edges are nice and dry. There's bubbles on top. It's not too wet. Let's now go under and give that a flip. Bam! Look at that. That was a perfect flip. We got nice coloration all over there. Let's check this one. All right, that one could use like another minute or so. This one, bam, that one's nice and done. This is looking good. And I'm just gonna cook these. I'm gonna cook myself about, I think 5 pancakes seems like a good serving. And then it's eating time. It's literally that easy. All right, these are looking pretty good. Now, I know they're not like picture perfect pancakes. They don't have that perfect even cook on both sides, but I literally made them in my room and they're just a super easy recipe. I'm sure there are fancier recipes, but this is what we're doing. We want super easy. All right, right over here, I'm gonna grab my serving plate and let's now serve these pancakes up. I like to make a nice big stack because I feel like you just want to eat them all at once, and you can even share the stack with a friend. So let's make a few more pancakes and then it's eating time. All right, our last pancakes are now done. Oh my God, that one almost fell off. All right, look at that stack. Give it a good shake. Alrighty, are you ready for this? I got whipped cream everywhere, but it is okay. And I also like to do a little bit of maple syrup on top as well. And try to tell me this is not the ultimate chocolate chip pancakes made literally in my bedroom. That's how easy they are. All right, so the whipped cream is about to fall off. So let's quickly get a ginormous slice of this pancake. Let's see if I can get all 6 pancakes in one bite. Hold up. Gotta cut through the last one. Bam! All 6 pancakes in one forkful. Oh my god, this is gonna fall. This is a little bit of a mess. Whoa, oh, okay. They might not all get into my mouth, but let's just give it a try. Okay, that's good. This is the ultimate breakfast. You know what the trick is? Take one piece of the pancake and then put some whipped cream just on there. Bam! That's what you call rocket science right here. There you go. That is how you make the ultimate super easy, super delicious chocolate chip pancakes at home. Or in this case, at my desk. I promise you they're so easy, you can do it at home. If I can do it at my desk, you got it. If you want the recipe, as always, the link to it is in the description box below. Now, I want to hear from you guys. Comment down below. Are you team pancake or, whoa, I just hit puberty there, or team waffle? I'm very conflicted because I love both of them, but I want to hear what you think down below. And if you make this recipe, obviously send me a picture. I would love to see it. Hit that like button if you enjoyed watching, and hit that big red subscribe button to be the first to know when I post new episodes every single Monday in January and February of Extreme Kitchens. Okay, if you need me, I'm going to devour the rest of these pancakes because I'm going to have breakfast in bed. Bye.